Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up your video on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Filmora application and as you can see, I have created a project. And first of all, I'm going to add my video to the track or the timeline. And for example guys, I'm going to speed up this video. Before I speed up my video, I'm going to show you the original one. Okay, this is the original video guys, and as you can see, this video has 10 seconds duration. Okay, and I'm going to speed up this video. If we want to speed up, we need to click on our video like this until it's active, and then we can click on the symbol, and here you need to find the speed menu, and you can choose uniform speed or speed ramping. And I'm just going to make it faster. I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, now it's done and this is the result. When you speed up your video, the duration will be shorter. Okay guys, and that's all the way to speed up a video on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.